Aaron and I hit the river to do a little bit of fishing and swap out some batteries in my game camera. We were just getting started when I realized something. I left my fishing poles at the house.
So I come all the way out here to go fishing this morning. Load everything up. And I left my fishing pole. I brought my tackle box. I brought everything except for the fishing pole. Loaded the kayaks up, whole 9 yards.
Turns out, Aaron just happened to have 2 fishing poles, and I got to borrow one of his. But it really didn't matter because the fish weren't biting anyway. Yeah, we finally made it to where we was going. Offloaded the kayaks, headed up into the woods, and started changing the batteries inside that camera. They even found a place to put a second camera. And here are some of the clips of the wildlife that I have captured. But the real challenge came when we started heading back. The current upstream was brutal. Even with the pedal drive, we were barely even moving. I tried pulling Aaron, but finally someone in a john boat offered to tow us back up to the boat launch. Sometimes the adventure isn't what you plan. It's what happens along the way. I can honestly say it's the first time I've ever been towed back to the boat launch in a kayak.